If we are to effectively learn, we should both frequently alternate the method or learning style and even the subject matter for greater effect. It is never that there's too much information to learn, it's that we have insufficient time to retain, recall, and apply the information that we've taken on board. This is why we strongly advocate micro-learning sessions, only 10 to 15 minutes at a time before the subject or the method of learning is altered. Using micro-learning allows one to take on board huge amounts of information as long as sufficient overall time is allocated. This is why we must shift our thought processes away from chunking learning into intensive periods to instead learning multiple topics over much longer time frames. For example, rather than cramming 6 hours of learning into one day, we should instead be allocating 15 minutes a day for a month. The volume is the same, we've simply lowered the intensity and in doing so, significantly increased our chances of recalling more of the information. Or another way to look at it is to do 1 hour per day over 4 15-minute stints on that one topic area, and then we learn the subject in only 6 days. When it comes to both our learning and development, we need to change our focus from days and weeks to months and years. We wouldn't take a 5K runner and train them for a marathon in a matter of days or weeks, as we know the intensity would be far too great for them to be able to cope. Instead, we would allocate months or potentially a year or more to ensure they develop at a sustainable pace.